Good morning, students. Once again, welcome you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. Students, in previous video, we have gone through 4 or 5 paragraphs of the new lesson that I have started, Iswaran the Storyteller, where we came to know, where we came to see that it was the school where Iswaran was studying, and an elephant, mad elephant you can say, an angry elephant you can say, entered the school premises, school campus, and the inner atmosphere of the school campus was now out of control. You can say that after this point, the story that has been narrated by Iswaran was very much what? Out of way of the presentation, and it couldn't be believed because it was out of faith, it was out of common concept of general life of a student, of a school going child. This Iswaran couldn't stop himself, although the story was not loved by Mahendra Babu, one who was there on sofa, but he was listening, he was forced to listen because the moment he used to go against the boring story, it might have wrong impact on the mind of Iswaran, who was only one great asset for him. In this way, he started continuing the story and he made it clear that he took a piece of sugar cane and he came downstairs, and with the help of that sugar cane he just hit the elephant, mad elephant. You can show the situation, you can not believe this situation, that it cannot be possible that a school going child, all the just matured person, all the young teachers and all the brave teachers, they couldn't dare to come downstairs, and a child came and he tried to hit the leg, lower part of the leg of the elephant with a piece of sugar cane. That was no instrument, that was not a weapon that could control a mad elephant, that could control an elephant which had gone mad. It means it so happened that he continued his story not knowing the result. He was in motion and in fluent position to continue his story, and indirectly he was pressurizing Mahendra Babu to listen whatever he was telling, whether the story was material or it was immaterial. He continued it. It so happened that the moment he hit the elephant with a piece of sugar cane, the elephant got faint. And he also made it clear that this was the remedy to the just situation that was going to happen there, and in this way the elephant came under control, and the information was given to the forest department, and the forest department, the forest officers along with their workers, they came and they took away the elephant. The Mahout was also there, who accompanied and who helped the elephant in being taken to a real place, that was forest. Students, one point I would like to make it clear, that although this story cannot be believed, this cannot be true, but the art of narration that was adopted by Iswaran was very much interesting, and he never made any delay in telling the continuous process of the story, and indirectly it was just liked and loved by Mahendra Babu, who never made it clear that the story is believable or not. Although he came to listen, but he protested. He protested this art of this particular story, that it was not so interesting. This made Iswaran angry inwardly. Iswaran got angry and he decided to teach Mahendra Babu a great lesson, that he has to believe that there are just spirits, there are ghosts which are found somewhere else, and for that he also made a manipulated story. He framed a story that was not true, that was completely a story which was based upon the scene and sight of Iswaran. That was the story of Iswaran. It was not taken from anybody else, and it was not made it clear that the story was original or not. He tried to make it clear he had already decided to teach Mahendra Babu a great lesson, that if I am working some better things for you, you have to bear and you have to go with some parts of his story which are not true in nature. But the way of telling this story was interesting. He wanted to make it clear whether the story is not true or not, but the way I am telling, the way he was telling was very good, and he should not have gone against that art of narrating the story. He made it clear that the place where they were residing, they were setting in, was just inherited by a bad spirit. It was just haunted by a bad spirit, which Mahendra Babu couldn't believe. This also made the relationship in between them out of way, and this made Iswaran a man of angry concept that he has to teach Mahendra Babu a great lesson, and the lesson was framed by him. Once it so happened that it was a very fearful night, and Mahendra Babu was just sleeping in his room, and the window was just slightly opened. The atmosphere outside was not helpful. It was also creating a sense of bad spirits. It was also creating a sense of fearful position. And Mahendra Babu was trying to sleep, but he couldn't sleep. He found that there was a skeleton of a dead body, you can say. It was covered with a white dress, and it was found near the window that was slightly open, and it was creating a sense of fear. It was creating a sense of fear in the mind of, you can say, Mahendra Babu. He started making slow sounds. He started getting fear. He couldn't try his level best to lock the window. He couldn't try his level best to go and peep through the window to see whether the skeleton was real or not, whether the skeleton was just natural or not. So he got feared, and this is for the first time throughout the story he will go through that he has realized that the place has been haunted by bad spirits, and they are creating a sense of fear inside the mind of the persons, those who are residing there. Students, anybody can get fear. R.K. Lakshman has been successful in making it clear that if you are in such a fearful position, you can get fear, you can try to go away from that place, you can try to have bad adverse on your mind. Students, we are giving you continuous homework which you have to do in school copy. So buy the copies if you have not bought, prepare all the questions answer of previous lesson and try to produce it whenever the school is going to reopen. If you don't do it in school copy, you will not get marks. Your 10 marks will go to board, and that will be given on the basis of your good performance. Prepared all the questions and answer in our school copy. So buy it, do it. Thank you.